we're back at Mila's videos, and this time we're doing the slime videos, the slime, and I'll tell you a bit about these slimes, and then we will have a look at these slimes. As you see, they're like different colours. Yes, so I'll tell you about it in this video. So the smallest goes first. Like this is this slime. There you go. And it's like this slime. There you go. And this is the biggest slime. There. So yeah, like I said, the youngest goes first. Here's like this brown colour slime. Super gooey. If you buy at home shop, it's like this home shop. That's where I got this slime from. And this one is like really gooey and wobbly. I got it today, just like that slime here. And yeah, this is gooey, and I got it at the same shop as this one. So yeah, it's green, and that one's brown. Yep, and this one feels like marshmallow. And now the biggest. This one is actually butter slime. It's really big. I'll just try to get it out the bucket. Here's the slime. It feels really watery and gooey. Yep. Yeah, and this one's purple, as you see. And yes. That's the end of my little video. Thanks guys. Thanks for watching.